Welcome to the Legal Services Fund. In this video, you will learn about the basic services provided by the fund. We will then focus specifically on how the Legal Services Fund can answer your immigration-related questions. What benefit does the 32BJ Legal Services Fund provide?
The Legal Services Fund offers legal representation to union members in the areas of immigration, family, matrimonial, criminal, purchasing and selling a home, wills, and bankruptcy.
What are some examples of the petition types covered under the immigration benefit?
The immigration petitions that we help members with include U.S. citizenship, permanent residency or green card, temporary protected status, removal proceedings, and political asylum. In terms of family petitions, we can help members petition for their spouse, children, parents, and brothers and sisters.
People like me living far away from my children. You guess what? You guess what? I'm more than happy to have one of them next to me. I'm very happy.
When can I apply for citizenship?
A permanent resident can apply for citizenship after 5 years of having their green card. Now, for a permanent resident who is married to a U.S. citizen for three years or more, they can apply for their green card after 3 years of having it. Your attorney will tell you how long that process will take.
What are the fees associated with filing an immigration case?
Most fees, with some exceptions, are shared between the member and the Legal Services Fund. For more information on that, please call the Legal Services Fund.
My filing fees were $100. They came out of my pocket, and the rest was covered by the union benefits.
The filing fee cost me $100. The benefit fund paid the rest.
My attorney, no cost money, free. 32BJ Legal Fund, free. Excellent, perfect service.
Is it possible for me to do the test and interview in my native language?
Yes, it is possible for you to do your citizenship interview and test in your native language if you are 50 years or older and you've had your green card for 20 years or more, or you are 55 years or older and you've had your green card for 15 years or more.
Why does my attorney ask so many questions?
Asking questions is an important part of any attorney-client relationship. In order to best understand your situation, we need to obtain as much information from you as possible, because what may seem like a small detail to you could have a big effect on your case. All conversations between you and your attorney are kept confidential. In other words, what you say to your attorney stays with your attorney.
One of the things that I loved about coming here at 32BJ is we all have different problems, skeletons in the closet that we don't want to share with anybody. And at the time, in my situation, I was able to bring it up to the lawyers, and it was all confidential. Nothing was said to anybody besides us two in that room.
Which family members and how many may be petitioned?
A U.S. citizen can petition for their spouse or their children, including minor children, adult children, and married children, their brothers and sisters, parents, and fiancé. Now, a permanent resident can petition for their spouse and their unmarried children. The Legal Services Fund can help you petition for relatives in addition to your spouse and dependent children.
What is the age limit for dependent children to qualify for legal service coverage?
Dependent children are eligible for legal fund coverage benefits up until a certain age. To find out if your child is eligible, contact the legal fund directly.
Je suis heureuse d'être aujourd'hui près de mon père grâce à Turning to BJ.
Oh, my mom coming, the first of all, can't wait to come in United States. And she wanna see the ticket. She say me, really, I'm gonna come? I say, yes. And who is helping you? I say, Legal Fund 32BJ.
My parents, I've been with the union for almost 22 years. My dad used to belong to the union. So at one point, my parents used the union lawyers to file a petition for my grandmother at that time to petition her to come into this country.
Are members able to request a Spanish-speaking lawyer?
Yes, Spanish-speaking lawyers are available if you need one. You can also request other languages.
You can call anytime you want, and they're gonna answer any question on any time.
32BJ Legal Fund offered me the class before I go to citizenship. I'm coming in a classroom. I take the test by the write and read English and by the history with it's 100 questions. I pass the test. I get a citizenship.
The experience was excellent.
What should I do if I receive a deportation letter?
If you receive a deportation letter, you should contact the Legal Services Fund immediately for help.
May members open a case with the Legal Services Fund if they have already started the process with a different lawyer?
Even if you've consulted with a private attorney, it may still be possible to consult with the Legal Services Fund. Please call the Legal Services Fund for more information.
Well, the day I got my certificate at the courthouse in Brooklyn, it was a very, very exciting moment. I actually couldn't believe it. All night I was looking at it because I thought it was unreal.
Each case is unique. For more information on your particular situation, contact the Legal Services Fund directly.
As soon as I got my citizenship, the first thing I've done is fly back home because I've been away for 20 years.
Be so exciting to see my family. I can't believe.
I will, and I will continue to use 32BJ for all my legal problems.